गया है सर। This change is more than a paradigm shift in leadership. It's a clear rejection of authoritativeness. It's a rejection of arrogance, divisive politics, and empty promises. The message from the electorate of this country is loud and clear. Waqt badal gaya hai. Today is exactly 50 days since the rejection. But PM Modi refuses to accept the reality. He is running a coalition government and he wants everyone to believe that sab changa si. Everything is good. So the defense minister is the same, the commerce minister is the same, the home minister is the same, the external affairs minister is the same, speaker is also same, the finance minister is also same. Sir, one thing has changed. I was sitting throughout when the budget was being read. Only the cheerleaders have gone down in numbers. वो बेंच बजाने वालों का थोड़ा नंबर कमती हो गया है. The number of cheerleaders have gone down because the people of this country denied them an access to this temple of democracy, sir.
Madam, thank you so much for letting me speak in this August House, and I also thank the people of Jadavpur Parliamentary Constituency for electing me as their representative. Madam, metros are the fastest and the most convenient and the cheapest mode of urban commuting, and there has been several ongoing projects to extend the Kolkata metro. However, the Baruipur-Kobi Subhash, also known as the Garhia metro extension, was proposed in the railway budget of 2011-2012, but there has been no positive movement since then. Baruipur is a fast developing town about 25 kilometers from Kolkata with a growing population of more than 5 lakh people. Thousands of people utilize the train facility daily to commute for work, for education and other essential activities. Since Kavi Subhash is becoming a key junction for the residents of Baruipur, a metro station is the need of the hour. In 2017, the tentative plan was to build the tracks along the Adi Ganga, but nothing has happened since. Despite the completion of the feasibility study for extending Kavi Subhash to Baruipur link as a part of East-West Metro extension, it still awaits approval from the Railway Board. Our leader, Honorable Chief Minister, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, was repeatedly raising the issue, highlighting the ongoing delays by the Railway Ministry. Several letters have been written to the ministry, including letters from the Speaker of West Bengal Legislative Assembly, who is also the MLA of Baruipur Paschim, for construction of this key metro expansion, but to no avail. Madam, I implore the government to expedite the Baruipur Kavi Subhash metro extension proposed for over more than 12 years. It is extremely crucial for the people of both रूरल एंड अर्बन बारुईपुर. लाखों की तादाद में लोग कलकत्ता आते हैं और ये मेट्रो स्टेशन जितनी जल्द हो सके उतना हमारे लिए अच्छा होगा. आपके माध्यम से मैं यही दरख्वास्त करना चाहूँगी. थैंक यू सो मच.